want me to tell it all. So I'll tell them like this. It's simple. I swear my music eases pain like a recovery drug. Just a few exits away from getting brotherly love. Ain't even gotta ask the residents, can we come through? Cause me and Jersey just a bridge away from dreams come true. We are overtiming just like we supposed to, and I'm out to take it back like the repos do. Every time I leave the spot, I bet they see my crew rolling in increments of 6. It's like it's 3 times 2, bitches. What did we come to? G-Shock up on the wrist, fresher kicks and some Levi's too. Now I got the people questioning what he might do, because I get these rappers nervous off the things I spew, nigga. Alright, I stumbled onto something new again. Used to want to chase a lot of bots like I'm moving in, but now I look at life much different and keep my distance from the people screaming out fuck bitches. I'm getting money, really doesn't do much for me. I take the greenery to face like Roger K. Doug Funny to murder beats. I'm bothering niggas, so call me Sonny, even though they're never real claims of stunting. I guess I'm killing dummies. Now, let them all inside the mind of such a person. Words are images, I'm sketching my rhymes inside America, supposed land of the freedom where the citizens are struggling to get what they're in need of, and there's nothing I can do to save them except for thinking on the piece of paper, try to make them feel better. Pieces vacant. I'm just an artist with a canvas trying to get my cake or maybe feed my family this evening and achieving greatness. Everybody wants to worry about tomorrow. I tell them it's never promised, so don't stress on what's ahead, cause the past left the ladder for the present that's taking me to the future where a nigga making bread. It's alright, we're taking the far light. My timing is impeccable, the rhyming is frostbite. My nigga Dre told me that some people had faith. That's when I told my niggas to believe and have faith in everything that we do and continuing to pursue it. Never been the type to talk about shit, cause I'd rather do it, motherfucker, do it well. Everyone's got a story to tell. I gave the people my heart, the reason I never failed. And well, you can tell I'm just a regular kid who's trying to get it all in order, situated to bid. So now they couldn't comprehend the way that I live, cause I ain't trying to show you up, I'm just showing you how it is, homie.
Yes.